welcome back to my channel. We are still in Disneyland Paris and I'm going to tell you today about the castle because there's a couple of secrets there. Inside the castle, go left up the stairs. And here, made out of glass, we have the story of Sleeping Beauty. This is where she got born. Just going to show you an overview. Castle secret number 1, go up the stairs, look up and look for the magic window because it's changing. It changes from a rose into doves. Secret or fun fact number 2, the stained glass windows are made by the same maker that did the windows for the Notre Dame. So that's pretty awesome. At the time that he made these windows, he was already 89 years old. So obviously he had some help. But it's by the same artist. This tapestry contains some magic. Secret number 4, if you stand close enough to these 2 guards, you can hear them snoring. Secret number 5, if you make a picture of this raven, when you use your flash, his eyes will turn out red. Maleficent is watching you. If you're outside of the castle, don't only look at the view, but also look at the castle itself. You will find these gorgeous owls. And if you look more up at the golden statue there, and you can see these golden snails, and those snails are a tribute to France. Because of course Disneyland Paris is in France. There's one more secret in this castle, but for that we have to go into the dungeon. Underneath the castle there are 2 shops. One has Christmas ornaments all year round and is gorgeous. And the other one is a glass shop. They have crystals and stuff. This store is called Merlin's and it has lots of shimmery stuff. For instance, this 5,900 euro castle. Wouldn't that look pretty in my house? When you're in this store, don't just look at the stuff, but also look at the detail. As I said, this is Merlin's store, and this is where he did one of his witchcrafting things. And now we're gonna head into the dungeon. We are now underneath the castle, and there lies the biggest animatronic in this entire park. It's the dragon. We're gonna get a little closer to see if we have better light there. So there's lots of debate about who this dragon is. To me it is Maleficent, because it's Sleeping Beauty Castle, and also because, I mean, look at the sign, you know, you see the horns. But other people say that it is the dragon from the movie Merlin, because it's outside of Merlin's store. So I think you can just choose what you wish to believe. But either way you put it, it's a dragon underneath the castle. I mean, that is pretty awesome. The castle looks huge, and Disney Imagineers are very smart people. So they moved the castle up the mountain. and it gets smaller and smaller on top, which makes it look even bigger than it really is. Also, they make Main Street a little bit downhill. So if you start at the beginning of Main Street and look at the castle, it looks huge. And if you walk back from the castle towards the exit of the park, it seems like it's not that far away. So a little bit of forced perspective just to, well, take you in the mailing, as we say in Dutch. Basically, they're fooling with your mind. We walked out of the castle and I just want to show you some nice picture spots. Because if we turn this way, you have the well of Snow White. That's nice to take some pictures. And there's also a little courtyard just up the stairs to the left. We're gonna take you there. So we took a left. No, we took a right.
Yeah.
We went left up the stairs and then we took a right. So I did say right. And you come out here, and I mean, there's usually nobody here, but it's a really pretty place to make some pictures. You have the Cinderella-like fence over here, and on that side there's the rest of the courtyard. Another insider's tip: if you want to make perfect pictures of the castle, don't stand in front of it. There'll be lots of people blocking your view, but go right over there. You have a great view of the castle, and it even includes those nice square-shaped trees. Look how pretty that is from this angle. So don't make them in front of the castle. Trust me, you will only get people on your picture and not yourself. This is the pretty side. And this is the end of our video about the castle. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really loud here, so I'm gonna make this quick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you're having a terrific day, and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!